Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Tuesday, December 16th, and a wacky and wild day in the market today. This is just so enjoyable. All right, we got quad witching on Friday. We have the FOMC tomorrow, and as we said up here, all right, we shorted it down to the 196, got this gap fill. Here's the gap fill, outstanding. Didn't that work out just great? We made huge money at Milestone, so if you want to be part of it, make sure you join up. Here's a problem. People are listening to TV, talking heads, and everything else. It's a lot easier than that, okay? Don't pay attention to television. Don't pay attention to anybody else. Learn the technicals of the charts, okay? It's that simple. That's what they use, and I'll prove it to you. All right, so we set that up. Let's go right to the hourly real quick, okay? So you can see here, when we hit the 200 day, and this is the hourly here, when we hit the 200 here, we had a bounce back up. What did it do? It closed the gap, okay? And then it fell back down, lost support, had support down here, came back up. All right, broke the middle Bollinger Band, tried to come up to here, it did not do it. So it's making higher lows all the way down. And what did it hit? It hit our first target, okay? Yes, our first target. You've seen the video. I've showed it to you. I've showed it to the members on what my targets are. And this is the first one we hit. And it was a very, very lucrative trade. Now, if that broke, we would come down to the lower Bollinger Band. We came down, we rocketed up, played the calls to the upside, okay? It did get through the middle Bollinger Band. However, if you look at the Dow, it reached resistance at S1, okay? When it reaches resistance, that means it's going to be a sell-off, all right? So it sold off. It tanked and tanked and tanked and tanked and tanked, okay? So it kept losing support all the way down. So where's the next area target? The next target is going to be tomorrow, this 196 here, 196.49 or something, 196.30, okay? That's going to be your next target tomorrow, all right? Look at your relative strength index, 38. But if we break that, there's two more areas, okay? So usually we get a hammer tomorrow, and the hammer could come down to this area over here, 193 to 196. These are all different technical areas you want to be aware of tomorrow, okay? Because these are your buy areas. You will be buying here, you will be buying here, and you will merge into your position very slowly. And if we get lucky enough, we can get down to the 190, all right? And if we get even luckier than that, we can spike all the way down to this one. All right, they use these gaps, all right? These gaps the market makers use, somebody uses, I don't know, I don't care. I just figured it out. That's as simple as that. So by using the gaps on all the time frames, you can estimate what is going to take place, okay? So this was filled. This gap was filled. Now we're down to this one. Now we're down to this one. Don't listen to anybody else out there. You focus on the chart, all right? You could see here, it broke all this. It told you what it was doing, and it came right down. When your relative strength index is at 78 on the daily, and you're going to play, you're gonna buy and say, oh, I'm gonna go all in, woohoo, you know, and it's at 90 on the daily. We're on a daily right here. It's at 90. All right, but they're saying jobs and this, everything, the world is wonderful. Then all of a sudden, all this other crap starts coming into play, you know, and then guess what? It's gonna be all fixed on Thursday and Friday. Watch. And then next week it's gonna be even better, and we're gonna rally all the way into the new year. All right, they're just not done loading their positions yet. Look at these little spots. They're all right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. We lost this today, the 100-day moving average on the daily. We lost it, so what's next? The next support is going to be the gap. Next support is going to be this. All right. But look at your relative strength index at 23 on the daily. When it gets down here, what happens? Okay, well, we have this one at 25 right here. And if you follow this down, oh, this one here, follow it down. Oh, it's easy. You get up here at 86. You get up here at 90. All right? It drops. It's a consolidation. It's not the world is ending. All the news and crap is just that. It's crap. Follow the technicals on the chart. Look at how beautiful this is. This is setting up perfect. The stochastics is almost ready. Look what happened when they crossed here. Kabloom. This is what, 20-something dollars in 2 weeks? So if we can get down to here, the 200-day moving average, guess what? We're going to rock up again. We'll tell you. Be in the live chat room tomorrow so you can capitalize on this. It's that simple. It's that simple. Look at the Dow. All right? It lost it today. It couldn't hold it. Same thing took place. All right? Your relative strength index. The world is great, yeah, but guess what? It's at 92 up here, folks. It has to pull down and retrace. It's just that simple. This is dummy proof. You know the bottom's coming. Look at this level off. Look at it level off. Once you cross, that'll be Friday this will cross. Mark my words. Mark my words. Your 200 is your target. It's that simple. Your 200 is your target. History repeats itself. All right? We've only breached it a couple times. So keep an eye on the charts. Learn the charts. Join Milestone. We'll teach you. All right? You got to plan this stuff. Look at Google. I told you it was going to 450. All right? I said it when it was at 602, 600. Check this out. All right? If anybody's following it. Look where we are. We're going to 450. Why are we going to 450? Not just because I said so, because there's a technical layout for it. All right? Here's your technical layout. You lost this support. You lost this support. There's no other support here. I said up here, you're making lower highs. It's just a matter of time before the bubble pops. You're in a downtrend. Okay, then you make a new downtrend. You're going to follow these candles all the way down. All right, there's your new downtrend. All those bounces that came up, I said it on the videos. It's no good. Look at PCLN. Same thing. Learn the charts. I said PCLN's going to 840. All right, why did I say that when it was up here? Up here? Up here? All right, granted, it's oversold right now and it's going to bounce right off this 1019. Even if it comes back up here, it's still going to be in a downtrend pattern. It's simple, folks. And I can do this with any chart at any time. And so can Ray, and so can any of the other moderators over there, okay? There's no reason you should be losing money in the market. You could trade these markets and you can make a lot of money in these markets, all right? And it's not just these indicators we use. So what if I'm making it look easy right here? It's because I am making it look easy right here. There are other triggers that are set in place. We have 57 technical indicators on a couple of our charts. We have ribbon charts that we use that we've made. We use all kinds of stuff. But now's the time for you to say, okay, I want to be part of this. I want to know all about this stuff. All right. Join Milestone. Do it tonight. You get a $6.99 offer. Okay. Lifetime membership. Our members already made that. $6.99 lifetime membership. That changes Sunday to $9.99. Then it goes away forever. So you make that decision. But it's easy to make money in this market if you listen to the charts. Okay. Do not listen to the noise that is out there. Pay attention to the technicals. This way you can make the money for yourself. That's the name of the game. You want to fill your pockets and you want to fill your bank account. This was a dummy-proof trade. It was easier than easy. So is this one, and so is this huge move up to the top. Okay? I have called all of these perfectly. Go back and look at my videos. Come into the chat room and ask the members. All right? And I'm calling this again. So we'll see you tomorrow after the FOMC meeting. Well, we'll see you before. Join us tomorrow. Click on the link on the video and secure your 2015. We'll show you how to do it. Have a great night, everyone.